Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Abdullah Patel English High School and DRT Junior College. Today we are going to start by our subject history, chapter number 8, question and answer session of your textbook. I hope textbook is with you people. Mark it down. Question number 1A, choose the correct alternative and rewrite the statement. First one, when Austria declared war against Serbia, it was who helped Serbia? Four option has been given to you: Germany, America, Hungary, Russia. So the correct option is Russia. Second, the first atom bomb was dropped on the city of during the aerial attack of America on Japan. So the four option is given to you is Nagasaki, Hiroshima, Pearl Harbor, Stalingrad. So the correct option is Hiroshima. Moving further, question number 1B. Again, see here it is the incorrect pair. You have to correct the one. Group A, America, England, Germany, and Italy. Group B is having the names. C, America by Woodrow Wilson, England by Winston Churchill, Germany by Hitler, and Italy by Linlithgow. So here, whatever has been given, okay, so Germany, Hitler has been given, so it is wrong. Germany, Nazism will come. Okay. Question number 2, write the names of historical places, person, events. The name of the group of nations including England, France, Russia, Italy, and America in the First World War. Answer is Allied Nations. The name of the group of nations including Germany, Austria, Hungary, Turkey, Bulgaria in the First World War. Correct answer is Central Power. Question number 3, write short notes. League of Nations. Point 1. A peace-loving American president, Woodrow Wilson, took a lead for the formation of League of Nations. Second, all the nations involved in the war felt that the need to create some solution to avoid any situation that could lead to war. Third, the main objective of League of Nations were A. Finding peaceful solution for conflict between nations. B. Establishing peace in the world. Fourth point, Austria, Germany, and other defeated nations were not allowed to become members of the League. Fifth, America was not a member of the League, so England and France retained their dominance in the League. Second one, Dr. Kotnis. First one, Dr. Dwarkanath Kotnis was born on 10th October 1910 at Solapur. Second, when Japan attacked China in 1937, the Chinese government requested Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to send a team of doctors to attend the injured Chinese soldiers. Third, Dr. Kotnis was the chief of the team of Indian doctors sent to China. Fourth, he attended the Chinese soldiers for years but unfortunately died in China on 9th December 1942 in the plague epidemic. Fifth, Dr. Kotnis, by the virtue of his selfless work, formed the bridge of friendship between India and China. Sixth, the eminent Indian filmmaker V. Shantaram made a film on his life entitled Dr. Kotnis Ki Amar Kahani, which immortalized Dr. Kotnis' memory. Question number 4, explain the following statements with reasons. That is, give reasons. Okay. Point number 1, the Treaty of Versailles had the seeds of Second World War. The text does not have any comment to this effect. First point, the Treaty of Versailles was signed between the Allied nations and Germany at Versailles Palace in 1919. It was drafted by American President Woodrow Wilson. Second, the Treaty of Versailles was very harsh on Germany because Germany had lost the war. Third, Germany was forced to accept the responsibility of the war damages suffered by the Allies. Fourth point, the victorious powers had deprived Germany of huge tracts of its territory. Germany was burdened with an immense war indemnity. Fifth point, the peace settlement at Paris was made in a spirit of revenge. The Germans felt that too much injustice had been done to them. Sixth point, the German economy ruined completely. People were starving and the government was in chaos. Seventh point, it was impossible for a proud German race to forget the consequences of the war which they had lost so humiliatingly. Eighth point, this fueled the rise of Nazism in Germany, which adopted the policy of aggression. In this way, Treaty of Versailles sown the seed of Second World War. Second question, the British government in India decided to return home. Answer, first point, the Second World War ended in the month of August 1945 with the surrender of Japan. Second point, in this war, England emerged victorious, but it lost heavily in terms of human life and economic conditions. Third point, as a result of this, England grew weaker. The British government in India, now aware that Indian soldiers and people are not meek and submissive as before, ruling them was no easier. Fourth point, India was not going to be the perennial source of profit for them as it used to be. There was lot of pressure on England to give freedom to its colonies. Freedom struggles began in India which demanded Purna Swaraj, which means total independence. Hence, the British government in India decided to return home. Moving further, question number 5, answer the following question in detail. Question number 1, give the causes of the Second World War. Answer, first you have to write introduction in detail. Answer, again and again I am telling to you, because if you are not writing introduction and conclusion in detail, so your marks will be deducted. Okay, so the question which are not having introduction and conclusion which I am providing, so you have to make your introduction and conclusion and write in your notebook. Okay, you have to achieve full marks, so you have to do at least that much pain you should take, right? Okay, so in this here I have given the some lines. The Second World War was fought between 1939 to 1945. Following were the causes of Second World War. First, dissatisfaction with the Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles was very harsh on Germany. It was made in the spirit of revenge. Germany was burdened with a huge war indemnity. The German economy ruined completely. This fueled the rise of Nazism in Germany. Second point, rise of Hitler. The Nazis, under the leadership of Hitler, grabbed power in Germany. Hitler began to escalate Germany's military power so as to avenge the demeaning condition imposed on Germany by the Treaty of Versailles. He focused on increasing the strength of military as well as navy. Third point, rise of communism. Meanwhile, Soviet Russia, a communist nation, was becoming more powerful. It made nations like England, France, America uneasy. Soviet Russia and imperialism Germany viewed each other as arch enemy. England and France ignored the advances of Germany, thinking that it will keep a check on the rising power of Soviet Russia. Fourth point, Hitler's attack on Poland. In 1938, Hitler won the Sudetenland province in Czechoslovakia, which was populated in majority by people of German origin. In 1939, he attacked Poland, which was looked upon as a neutral country by all European nations. In spite of this, Hitler attacked Poland. Therefore, England declared war against Germany. Fifth point, Hitler's violation of non-aggression pact. Denmark, Norway surrendered to Germany. Germany conquered Holland, Belgium and France. In 1939, Hitler violated the non-aggression pact made with Stalin and attacked Soviet Russia, so Stalin declared war against Germany. Second question, why did Indian people participate in the national movement in the great number? First, India was a colony of British during wartime. England started exploiting their colonies to meet the needs of war. Second, during wartime, England felt an increasing need for manpower and money. Therefore, the British government began recruiting army personnel from India. Third, at times the recruitment was enforced on Indians. Fourth point, extra taxes were levied on Indians for raising funds, taxes on trade and industries. Second, why did Indian people participate in national movement in great number? See, again it is written over here. We have completed till point number 4. So here we have completed it by point number 4 till here we have completed. Okay. So here further it is, the word is raised. Fifth point, during the war period prices of essential commodities went up. Indians suffered from the problems of inflation, hike in prices, increasing unemployment caused by industrial recession. Sixth point, Indians could see that the exploitative rule of the British was responsible for this miserable state of affairs. Seventh point, hence Indians from all strata of society, workers, farmers and the middle class joined in large numbers in the national movement against the British rule. So here I completed by the question and answer session of the chapter number 8. I hope you you are completing your notes of history in your history notebook. So till the next video, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you so much.